Journey on the Amazon River. Deep in the heart of Brazil, near the Amazon River, lived a kind and respected man named John. He had built a quiet life for himself and his family. His daughter Anna was the light of his life. She was in love with a young man named Michael. They planned to marry soon. And for John, nothing mattered more than seeing his daughter happy. But they faced a big problem. Her marriage must be registered in the city of Manaus. For registration, John must show legal papers. Long ago, John had been accused of a terrible crime he never committed. The law believed he was guilty of murder. And to save his life, he had escaped deep into the forest. But now, because of Anna's wedding, that secret was in danger of being revealed. For his daughter's sake, John decided to face the risk. The only way is to travel down the Amazon River. They built a great wooden raft called a jangada, a floating home that carried rooms, a small kitchen, and all they needed for the trip. When the day came, John, Anna, Michael, and servants began the journey. At first, the journey felt like a dream. The air was full of the songs of birds. The forest glowed with life. Monkeys leapt from branch to branch. Yet, the beauty of the Amazon carried danger too. And at night the jungle whispered strange voices that made everyone uneasy. Still, the family stayed strong. One afternoon, as the raft floated near the shore, a stranger appeared. His name was Tom, and he asked if he could travel with them downriver. John agreed to take him aboard. At first, Tom seemed friendly. Days passed, and one night, when the others were asleep, Tom came to John quietly and revealed that he knew who he really was. He said he had proof that John was innocent, but he would only give it in exchange for money. From that moment on, the peace of the journey was gone. John could hardly sleep. He wanted to protect his daughter's happiness, but felt trapped by the man's threats. The jangada continued its path through rain and storm, through silence and sunlight, while the river grew wider and wilder. Tom became more demanding, whispering threats and trying to control John. After many weeks, they finally reached Manaus, and John knew he could no longer run from his past. He went to court to face justice. At the last moment, Tom makes a new demand. He wants more money to keep quiet. But before he can act, something happens. During a violent storm, Tom slipped into the water and was never seen again. The papers he carried were lost beneath the waves. Without the papers, John cannot prove his innocence. The family felt hopeless. But then a new witness appeared, a man who knew the truth of what had happened years before. The witness explained that John had no involvement in the crime, and the judge declared John innocent at last. That evening, as the sun set over the Golden River, the family celebrated on the jangada. Anna and Michael got married. The wedding was full of joy and music. John felt peace after many years of fear. And the Amazon River carried them into a bright future.